As Russia bears down on Ukraine's capital city, stocks fell sharply today, marking yet another volatile day on Wall Street. And in Russia, a financial meltdown as the economy staggers under sanctions. Business correspondent Marley Caden is live here in the newsroom. Marley, please explain all of this in terms that we can really understand.
I'll do my best, Nicole. The stock started the month with a slide for the month of March as investors continue watching the situation in Ukraine and surging oil prices. The Dow dropped 600 points to close down almost 2%. The S&P 500 and NASDAQ both fell 1.6%. And the continued aggression from Russia is pushing energy prices higher. U.S. oil jumped almost 12%. That's up to $106.78 a barrel. That's the highest level that we've seen in 7 years. It did end the day just above $103, though. Global oil hit a high of $107.57 a barrel. That's a price that we haven't seen since July of 2014. And at closing, prices were slightly lower at just under $105. The International Energy Agency did agree today to release 60 million barrels of oil from global reserves. This is in an effort to ease some of the current supply constraints. Experts say this may not be enough, though, as it only equates to about 6 days of Russian production and about 12 days of Russian oil exports. And now moving to Russia, the New York Stock Exchange and the NASDAQ have halted trading of several U.S.-listed Russian stocks. This comes in the wake of new sanctions. The stocks haven't been removed from the exchanges or delisted, but they cannot currently be traded. And the hits for Russia do not stop there. BP and Shell are also dumping their stakes in Russian oil and gas. BP held one of Russia's biggest foreign investments, and the company could lose more than $26 billion as it walks away from its business there. And MasterCard and Visa also blocking multiple Russian financial institutions from their network, this in compliance with government sanctions. The credit card companies have pledged $2 million each for humanitarian aid. And in Russia, the stock market remains closed amid crushing sanctions. The central bank more than doubled its key interest rate yesterday after the country's currency collapsed and sent the markets into a free fall. Russian markets will remain closed at least through today, Nicole.
All right, Marley, breaking things down for us. Thank you so much for that. Thank you for watching. Click the red subscribe button below so you can get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.